Hi guys, so let's do this amazing partial fractions question today. All right, so here find the values of the constants a, b, and c. So in this equation, we have to find the constants or the value of a, b, and c. All right, let's get started. So we have 9x squared over x minus 1 whole squared 2x plus 1 is equals to a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 whole squared and plus c over 2x plus 1. All right, so what we have to do is first we have to have a common denominator on the right hand side, right? And here the common denominator is going to be x minus 1 whole square, because this thing here is x minus 1 and x minus 1 twice. All right, so we have x minus 1 whole squared and the other one is 2x plus 1. Right, so now let's see what we need to multiply to the numerators. So here we are missing 1x minus 1 because here it's x minus 1 whole square, and we also need to multiply with 2x plus 1 to get x minus 1 whole square plus to get that denominator, right? So here with this a, we have to multiply x minus 1 and 2x plus 1, right? In the b fraction, we have to multiply by 2x plus 1 only, because x minus 1 whole square, we already have x minus 1 whole square here. We need to multiply by 2x plus 1, right? And in the last one, we need to multiply by x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square. Cool. I hope you understand. This is basic fractions that we do. Right, so now let's write that in the numerator. So we have x minus 1, 2x plus 1 plus b, 2x plus 1 plus c, x minus 1 whole square. Right, now here in left hand side and right hand side, our numerators are equal. Right, so numerator here, denominator here and denominator here are equal, so we can compare the numerators, right? So we don't have to write the whole thing. We can just write 9x squared is equals to, right, because the denominators are equal, we'll have a, and now if we expand the brackets, we will get 2x squared plus x minus 2x minus 1. 1 times 1 is 1 square. I'm just expanding so you understand what is happening. 2x plus 1, nothing there, but here we have c x squared minus 2x plus 1. Right, now for x squared here, we can have x squared, coefficient of x squares, coefficient of x, and the constants together, right? Just so it's easier for us to then compare them. So here we will have 2a, because x squared here is going with that, and it's going to become 2a when we open the bracket. And then we have x squared here is just going to be c. So 2a plus c, right? With x, let me have the yellow highlighter back. With x, we have 1 here, so that's going to be minus 1, right? So let's write plus outside so it's easier. Here we will have minus a, because 2 minus 2 plus 1 is minus a. On the other side, we will have 2b here, and here we have minus 2c, right? And plus, now we'll write all the constants here, so it's going to be minus a plus b and plus c, okay, is equals to 9x squared. If we write for x, it's going to be 0x plus 0. So we will have 3 equations there to equate. All right, so the three equations is going to be 2a plus c is equals to 9. If we have the x squares, all right, so that is the coefficient of x squares. Then we have minus a plus 2b minus 2c is equals to 0. That is coefficient of x. And then the constants are minus a plus b plus c is equals to 0. That is constants. Right, now we have three equations. We'll have to solve those equations simultaneously to get. So from the first one, I can find the value of c. Right, so from the first one, I will say, let's bring it here. So 2a plus c is equals to 9. So c will be equals to 9 minus 2a. Right, so to start with that, and we will substitute c in. So let's label them as, this is first, second, and third. Oops. So I'll say substitute in 2. That is going to give us minus a plus 2b minus 2. 9 minus 2a is equals to 0. And when we simplify it, we will get minus 18 plus 4a. It's 3a plus 2b is equals to 18. All right, so that gives us equation number 4, right? And similarly, if we substitute c in third equation, we will get minus a plus b plus 9 minus 2a is equals to 0 again. So that will give us minus a plus b plus 9 minus 2a is equals to 0, minus 3a plus b is equals to minus 9, right? That's our equation number 5. Now equation 4 and 5, we can do adding. 4 and 5 we get, so we will get 3a plus 2b minus 3a plus b are the equations. So that is 18 minus 9, and we are adding those two. So 3a minus 3a is 0. That is going to give us 3b is equals to 9, b is equals to 3. Right, so now that we have got b, we can find the other things, right? So if we put the value of b, so we can say substitute b in 4. So if we put that in 4, we'll get 3a plus 2 times 3 is equals to 18. 3a is equals to 18, take away 6. 3a is equals to 12, a is equals to 4, right? And now the last thing left is c, and here we substituted c is equals to 9 minus 2a. So we will say c is equals to 9 minus 2a. 9 minus 2 times 4 is equals to 9, 8. C is equals to 1. Right, so we've got a as 4, b as 3, and c as 1. Right, but that's not enough. Let's go back and check our answer. And the easiest way to check is here that we have substituted 2a plus c is equals to. So here we know 2a plus c is equals to 9, right? And if we have a as 4 and c as 1, all right, so here let's check. I'll just put it here. You can do it at the end of the question. I'm just showing it here. So 2a plus c is equals to 9. A is 4. So 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9. Right? So that is checked. You can check one of them as well if you want. So minus 4 plus b is 3 plus 1, c is 1, is equals to 0, and yes, it is equals to 0. So that is a way of checking your answer. If you want, you can put it straight up in the main question and see if you're able to get the left hand side, right? So anywhere in that question, I would say just put those values back and see if you are getting the same answer of the equations. All right, I hope it makes sense. It was a really good question. Cool. Have a good day.